Hi, this is Denise Miller with Visual Faith Ministry. Today we are going to make a fun craft, and it opens up with lots of little pockets. So Lisa Brass sent me this video on how to make this, and I made one. And right now I have paper clips because it's still gluing. But as you can see, it's really cute. It has little pockets that you can either keep ephemera or put in cards to give away or to keep. Just another fun little thing. And I'm going to be using envelopes. Now, you could take cardstock or really any paper. You could rip out paper out of a book, and you would just need to glue the edges. But with an envelope, you don't need to do that. So envelopes, piece of cardstock for your outside. You can do chipboard and cover it if you want. I am going to, for this next one that I make, I am going to add a little piece of ribbon, which will tuck in between this last envelope and here, and then I will wrap it to close. You could always put a button or a snap or some kind of closure if you wished. Only other thing I need is glue stick or some kind of glue. And then I need a cutting board. So my cardstock, I measured, I'm going to be cutting these in half. So this is 6 1/2. So I need 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 3 1/4, and then I left a little teeny splice, I said. I'm tired. Let's see if you can see. Little place in here. Let's show you this one too. You see how this kind of goes like this? All the little insides. So I didn't really measure it. It's probably like an 1/8, 1/16, somewhere around there. So 3 1/4, 3 1/4, and a little extra. And I don't usually measure a lot, so that is just for you to kind of gauge. If you have different size envelopes, obviously you will have to gauge how wide you want it. So for these envelopes, all I'm doing is that it has the thing to close up. I don't have to lick it like my Christmas ones don't have this, and I have been licking hundreds of envelopes. So I think I'm going to do 4, which would give me 8 openings. Okay, so well, maybe I have 5. Let me look. I think I did for this one 4 envelopes. So let's do the same. I'll put those aside, grab my cutting board down, and then I'm going to cut each of these right in half, which is 3 1/4. So you can always measure it, fold it in half, and see if you're correct. Yep, that's exact. It's 3 1/4. And I assume if it gets off a tad, it's no big deal. Okay. So you will want all of the openings in one direction. So all I'm doing is checking to make sure they're all in one direction, which they are. Stacked up. Now this is the easy part. I have this ready, already scored it. Now I can check to see if it's going to be too wide. I can take a few out, but I think it's actually going to work pretty good. Kind of like it right like that. Okay. set this aside. Again, find out where my openings are, if they're all in the same direction. First one down, and all you are doing is gluing, let's see if I have enough in here, a strip down the middle. Flip over it, lay it, match them up, push it down the middle, and do your next. This is my opening. I don't think you need a lot of glue. I'm just using this Yoo-hoo glue stick, and it holds really well with paper. So really, it's not hard at all. Easiest thing, but you just need to make sure that your openings are all in one direction and you're matching up your corners. Last one. Match up, push down the middle. Now for this, you're going to just fold it over, make sure it's in there, and then you're going to add glue. Either one, you can do the back side or this side. Now I'm trying to decide if this is going to be the back or the front, because I wanted to add this, and because I'm adding some string, I am going to use a little of this. It's called glitter glue. It does not have any glitter in it, or art glitter, and it dries clear adhesive. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that on it, just because it's a little bit, holds probably better than just the Yoo-hoo. There you go. Maybe a little across. Just add a little strength. So you kind of match it up, pull it over, get it to where you like it, and then push hard. Let me get out. This is probably glued now, so in this corner here, I'm going to come down, catch that first page, put a clip till it glues. Same thing on this corner. Grab it down. Now for the other side. I'm almost done with that one. Let me grab another one out. Okay, same thing, pulling it over, as far over as I can get it. Adhere it down, grab a few more paper clips. Grab that first page. And then I would let it sit for a minute or two. And then when you open it up, I'll show it with the other one. Now this one is ready to go. Let me quickly put the top on. Okay, so this one I just took the paper clips off. And as you can see, this opens up here. Now, if this right here starts pulling off, grab some stronger adhesive and just put a little in there. But otherwise, there is the book. And that turned out really cute. I just love little things like this. And I have bigger envelopes, so I think I'm going to make one larger as well. But cute to make, cute to give away. It'd be really fun to put some faith mail in this and send it off. And this is how it ends if you have a ribbon on there. There you go. Another fun idea. Thank you, Lisa, for that video. It was a lot of fun to make. And if you make one, take some pictures and put it on our Facebook site. It's Facebook.com/groups/Visual Faith Ministry. Or you can comment down in the comments. Have a blessed day.